Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use or set your Facebook profile to professional mode. Now, most of us might just be using Facebook for personal reasons, but some of us, like you, the one watching this video right now, or maybe you're just curious, might be wondering how you can just be like make your Facebook all professional. And all you just need to do is just head over to these three dots down here, not this one, these three dots over here. Just click on it, and then as you can see down here, you'll see turn on professional mode. Just click on it and you'll see what sorry about that. You can see what Meta has in here. You can get paid for your content, grow your audience, see content insights, get discovered mentions. Just to tell you, just do this when you are really going professional, okay? Just not for fun. Just gonna show you all these other tools here. As you can see, you now have advertise or view tools. Basically, your Facebook profile has turned into some kind of a page of some sort. But yeah, if you want to go back, just click on the dots again and just click on turn off professional mode, and it should bring you back to your personal Facebook. And that is how you turn on professional mode on Facebook. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. See you in the next one. This is Generation Unravel. Bye bye.